If he had a super competent armorer who'd done it for decades, never had a safety issue before, ever, especially on the set, maybe you could forgive him for taking the chance of not checking the gun, maybe. But when you know you're having safety problems on set, to not check the gun under those circumstances is really egregious. The other thing I would say is it's pretty, I'm speculating, of course, but it's based on my personal experience. It's pretty obvious to me that the Baldwins or someone acting on their behalf has retained a crisis management firm to, misdirect attention away from Baldwin by whatever means is necessary. And of course, the traditional method of doing that is finding a scapegoat, is finding someone else to take the heat rather than your client. And that's what they're doing with this armorer. Now, she may well bear some responsibility here. I don't know. But whatever she might have done, again, would have caused no harm, but for the fact that Alec Baldwin failed to make sure the gun didn't have ammo before he pointed it at Miss Hutchins and pressed that trigger.
Just such an unfortunate story, one that could have been prevented. Maybe now, Andrew, more people will listen when we discuss firearm safety and responsibility of handling. Maybe I hope so, because the reason that we talk about it is not to be petty. It's to save lives. That's ultimately what it is. Andrew Branca, we would love to have you back. lawofselfdefense.com. You should need to go and read his analysis of this case. We will definitely have you back. We're not going to wait as long as we did before. Thank you so much. So good to see you again.
Thank you, Dana.
Of course. We have more to come, folks, as we wrap up this second hour of our broadcast.